Welcome to Facial Fascia, unraveling the secrets to timeless glow. Hello, radiant souls. I'm Jan Benham, your skincare time traveler since 1986, passionate about unraveling the secrets of facial fascia harmony. Let's dive into the captivating world of facial tissue. But first, a glimpse. Fascia, your body's superhero layer, holding everything together like a flexible network. Now get ready for our exclusive facial massage technique. A journey to rejuvenate your glow awaits. So what is fascia exactly? Fascia is like the superhero outfit under your skin, a tight-knit, stretchy layer that holds everything together. Imagine it as a network of smart, flexible cling wrap, wrapping up your muscles, organs, and bones. This invisible spiderweb ensures seamless movement, allowing you to groove without a worry. It's your body's unsung hero, ensuring you stand tall, bend, and even bust a move. When your fascia is happy and relaxed, you feel like a superhero without the cape. But what happens when stress knocks on our door? Picture your muscles and fascia as stress magnets. When life throws a curveball, they crumble up and throw a chaos party right on your face. These troublemakers create those pesky lines and wrinkles, crashing your smooth skin soiree. And guess what? They mess with your neck, contributing to those unwanted jowls. Cue the entrance of facial massage magic, the ultimate troublemaker relaxer. Now let's take a peek behind the body's curtain. Fascia is an integral part of muscles, and there is one muscle that's quite intriguing, the platysma. This muscle is connected to the skin in the lower face and is like a broad sheet running across the front of the neck. When the fascia loses its firmness in the face, it affects the skin support, leading to sagging. This in turn contributes to the formation of wrinkles in the neck. So how can you rejuvenate the fascia? The one way is to relax the muscles on the face, and this can be done at the time of putting on your moisturizer in the morning or any other time. You could use a plain oil or lotion with essential oils. So I tend to use it when I apply my phytotherapy cream, for example. So let's kick off by getting our favorite facial oil or lotion, like something like rosehip or the Pervez Divine Face Oil, or your favorite moisturizer. For a customized essential oil blend, please refer to our webinar, Unveiling Radiance, your essential skincare roadmap, for some ideas. Apply a little bit into the palm of your hand and now gently massage it on your face and your neck. For a little bit of guidance, I've created this fascia toning blend for you, and you can create this magic potion by blending 3 drops of cypress essential oil, 1 drop of frankincense, and 3 drops of grapefruit into 15 ml of your chosen facial oil or lotion. This delightful blend isn't just a one-time treat. It's perfect for at least 5 self-care massage sessions. Enjoy the benefits of this multi-use blend, and it works wonders on your facial fascia, offering you pure bliss and radiant skin over multiple applications. We start by applying pressure with our index and middle fingers under the corrugator muscle on the inner eye near the eyebrow Then we gently press along the eyebrow, moving upwards and outwards, as if pulling apart the line formed by the corrugator muscle. Then we move upwards and apply pressure in the middle of the forehead, gradually moving outwards towards the temples. And finally, the third row of movements, we go from the middle upper forehead, and again, gentle pressure, moving outward towards the temples. Then we transition into a technique using gentle pressure and sliding across. So we now stroke, starting again on the eyebrows, pushing up and out and stroking outwards. And we do 3 rows, working our way up till we're at the top of our forehead, stroking outwards. Now we move to the sinuses just below the eyes, and we start using the same 2 fingers. We gently apply pressure on the outside of the nose, on the nose itself, just underneath the eyes, moving outwards on the upper cheekbones till we reach the temple. And it's like a half moon motion on the cheekbone itself. Then we come down another line to just below that, again starting on the side of the nose, pressures, working our way out to the temple. And on the third and final row, we push under the cheekbone, again starting on the side of the nose, pushing upwards underneath the cheekbone. And again, pressures up until we reach the temple. Then we transition from using pressure into using the stroking motion. So again, we start on the upper part of the side of the nose and stroke outwards in a half moon circle underneath the eye, on the cheekbones to the temple. And we do 3 rows. The final row pushing upwards underneath the cheekbone till we reach the temple. And then the final step involves tapping the skin gently, paying attention particularly to the lower face and jawline. This will help to stimulate the circulation in the area and also stimulate the fascia as well. I always like to as well finish up with a little bit of scalp massage, just gluing my fingers to my scalp and massaging my skin over my scalp. And that's a nice finish to your massage. This massage doesn't just help the tone of the face, it also helps with sinus as well, and helps to help with your lymphatic system on your face. So it helps to drain any toxins away from your face as well, and helps with improved circulation. So there are multiple benefits to massaging your face. So thank you for diving into the world of facial fascia with me. Here's to unlocking that natural glow and toning your facial fascia for a refreshed, radiant look. Keep smiling and enjoying the journey to a healthier, toned face. And as always, if you have any questions, you can always contact me and I'll be happy to answer them. So thank you for listening, and it's bye for now.